So we'll be making a disposable glove because I want everybody to stay safe and the surgical gloves are not available. So the first thing I did was to draw my fingers on a piece of paper. You should open your fingers well and draw it properly. You just use one piece of nylon, so it's just going to be just double, so it's only one hand. We'll just do that and place the paper on the nylon. At this time, your iron should be on fire, heating up. It may not be iron, it could be knife. My knife was on fire. It could be any metal, just something that will be able to melt the nylon very well. So if we have started cutting, just follow the shape of the pattern. As you can see, the paper is helping because if you say you want to put your hands there exactly, you could make mistakes and you could hurt yourself, and your hands may not even be steady, probably because you're scared of the knife. So it's better to just have this drawn on a piece of paper. Then don't try and lay on like so many pieces of nylon. Let it be one hand at a time, because when you try to do this together, you're going to make a mistake, because by the time you're trying to separate it, they would have all become as one. So separating it, you are going to waste that nylon. So instead, just save that and do it one hand after the other. All you have to do is to keep putting your knife back on fire. If the knife becomes cold, continue doing that and continue tracing out that pattern till you get every part of it. As you can see, like so. Just make sure it's neat enough, and this shouldn't take you too long. Alright, so trace the pattern, then do it like that. So Tamara is actually a fashion designer, but I'm doing this because I want people to really become safe and healthy. So please follow me. I'm on YouTube. I post fashion videos on YouTube and so on. I also have Tamara's Palace on Instagram. So please. Alright. So still maybe little connections there that you may have to still use your knife to remove. So you just do that and you're good to go. Removing the little joints, if I may call it, to make it come out clean, smooth, and nicely done. Yeah, and if it's cold, you can put back on fire. This shouldn't take too long to make, and voila. Alright, so this is it, the finished look. Okay, so you could leave that thing hanging there, so maybe you use to pull your gloves while wearing it, or you could decide to cut it off. I cut it off in the video. So I was mentioning that the wrist part of the glove should be big enough so your hands can pass. Well, mine couldn't pass, that's why I mentioned it. That was my mistake. So I had to use my sister's hand to show you how the gloves look. So please do not make that mistake. I'll be making more gloves to actually for myself so that I could use it to walk around and do some things in the house. So please stay safe and do not spread false information. Tamara's Palace, please follow me. Thank you.